Guys, are you people there now? Maharana, Maharana, this is already started batch. You wanted to continue with this batch na? Pinnatla Maharana. Yes, guys. Please ping in the group. Remaining members also they will join the session. Guys, in the last class where we stopped, in the last class, guys, will you people help me? Where we stopped in the last discussion? Anyone?
Web worker, sir.
Where we stopped? Web worker, any web workers, web workers. Did you people completed the assignment? Web worker assignment? Web worker, guys, in the last class we completed about the web worker. Did you people completed the web worker assignment? Guys, I done the only half of the application and half of the application left it again. Did you completed? No, na? Guys, kindly respond. Did you people completed? No, na? Guys, any confusion? Can I repeat it once again or can I go to the new topic? Hello?
Sir, repeat it once.
Repeat, sir, because
Web worker, na?
Yes.
Why to repeat the web worker?
Sir, repeat.
Why? No, Maharana, you joined today itself, na? Maharana, it's correct, Maharana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You joined today itself. I think I'm asking them. I think you need to join the 9 o'clock batch, people. 9 o'clock because this batch already started.
Okay,
Maharana,
okay, sir.
you joined
I
today
d- I
itself.
didn't
You are
know.
asking. Yeah, I think you are asking to.
Okay, sir.
It's not correct. Fun.
Okay,
Guys,
sir.
remaining
Thank you.
people, old members, guys, old batch students. Can I repeat it or can I go for the new topic? Arey, what happened to you people here? What happened to you people? Why
Okay,
don't
sir.
you reply to
Move
me?
to new topic, sir.
Yeah. Let me go through that fun here. What happened to you people, guys? At least you need to reply now because web worker already we discussed. Still, some people have the doubt on the web worker. Fun. Let me go for the web worker, guys. Maharana, please continue the 9 o'clock batch because this class already started 20 days back. If you're able to understand well and good, otherwise go to the 9 o'clock batch. Fine. Say this one, guys. Why web worker? Web worker. Coming to the web worker is used to create the multi-threading, is used to implement the multi-threading concept. In order to implement the multi-threading concept, then we need to go for the web worker. Explain once again, guys. Why web worker? Web worker is used to implement the multi-threading here. In order to implement the multi-threading here, then we need to go for the web worker. Guys, here itself, we have the, assume this one here. Here itself, we have the 20 lines of code here. Assume this one. This is the line 1, and this is the line 2, and this is the line 3. This is the line 3. Next one, this is the line 4. This is the line 4. Next one is the, here itself, we have the line 5. Say this one here. Here itself, what we have here. Here itself, we have the line 5. Line 5. Next one is the line 6. Line 6. Next one is the line 7. Line 7. Next one is the line 8. Line 8. Next one is the line 9. Next one is the line 10. Totally, how many lines of code we have?
10, sir.
Totally, how
10
many
lines.
lines of code we have
10
here?
lines.
10 lines of code. Here itself, we have the 10 lines of code here. Next one. Guys, so let me delete the people, guys. MD Hushan, let me delete from the class itself. Because every day can't, every day can't.
Forget, sir, because
Yeah, say this one, guys. Nearly how many lines of code we have here?
10
10 lines of code.
10
Guys, I want to create 3 threads, guys. This is the thread 1. This is the thread 1. This is the thread 1. Next one, this is the thread 2. This is the thread 2. Next one is the, this is the thread 3. Totally, how many threads we need to create? 3 threads. Thread 1, thread 1, thread 2, thread 3. Guys, what is the use of thread 1? Thread 1 is used to execute the, thread 1 is used to execute the first 3 lines of code. In order to execute first 3 lines of code, I want to use which thread? I want to use which thread here? Thread 1. See this one. To execute what? In order to execute. In order to execute first 3 lines of code, then we need to go for the, say this one here. Then we need to go for the thread 1. See this one here. Here itself, say this one here. to execute what? First 3 lines of code. Guys, what is the use of thread 2? What is the use of thread 2? Thread 2 is used to execute. Say this one here. Thread 1 is used to execute the first 3 lines of code. Guys, what is the use of thread 2? Thread 2 is used to execute the next 3 lines of code. Guys, what is the use of thread 3? Thread 3 is used to execute the next
Remaining
4 lines of
4
code here. Next 4 lines of code here. Guys, it's just nothing but multi-threading API na.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Jansi getting the background noise.
Yes, sir.
Jansi getting the your mother and father voice getting here. See this one. This one we can call multi-threading concept na. Whatever the concept is there, this concept we can call multi-threading concept again. Fine. Now see this one here. Here itself, how to create the multi-threading here. In order to create multi-threading, then we need to go for one API. Then we need to go for one API here. Which API we need to use? Web worker API. In order to create a multi-threading, then we need to go for one API. Which API we need to use? Web worker API. Simply we need to go for the web worker API. Shankar, active yourself here. Web worker API we need to use. Fine. In a web worker API, here we have the two functions. Here we have the two functions here. What is the first function? What is the first function? The first function is the first function here. Post message. What is the first function we have? The first function is the post message function. The first function is the post message. What is the use of post message? Send the data to the thread. Send the data to the thread. In order to send data to the thread, we have we have one function. Which function we have? Post message function here. Next one, how to receive the data here? I want to receive the data here. How to receive the data here? We should be in a position. We should be in a position. We need to we should be in a position. We need to receive the data. How to receive the data here? If you wanted to receive the data, here, at that time we have the one more function. Which function we have here? We have the one more function. The function is the which function we have? On message function here. Guys, totally how many functions we have? Totally how many functions we have?
Two, sir.
Two functions.
functions.
What is the first function? Post message function. The first function is the post message function. What is the second function? On message function. Guys, what is the use of post message function? Send the data to the thread.
Send the data
Send
to
the
the
data
thread
to the
one.
thread. What is the use of on message function?
To
Receive the data from the thread. In order to receive the data from the thread, then we need to go for the on message function. Guys, whoever feeling stuck here, whoever feeling the tough here, can you please explain once again? Ken, is it difficult to understand this one?
No, sir.
Is
No,
it
sir.
difficult to understand this one, Ken? Anyone, guys?
No, sir.
No. Yes, guys. Can I go for the implementation part?
Yes, sir.
Guys, 1 second, guys. Let me delete these people from the class itself here. Saurav, they let me delete from the class itself. Let me delete from the class itself. Guys, how many times I need to task here? Kundan, did you register Kundan? Kundan Kumar? Did you register Kundan Kumar? Nandyala Sudarshan. Guys,
No, sir.
getting the headache about our class, guys. Guys,
Sir, did you
getting-
ask something,
yeah,
sir?
yeah, I think getting the headache about our class, guys. How many times I need to request, guys? How many times? Because even if I request here, was joining directly only. Fine. Just 1 second work na, it's not the great one. 1 second, because we are unable to filter the people, guys. Who is from the Java, who is from the UI? We are unable to filter. That is the reason we are asking you to join with the unique UIDs.
Sir, sir, actually one problem, sir. When
say this one, yeah.
when I
Yeah.
when
Guys,
I will
say this one,
join the
okay.
class, when I will join the class, then always the ask for the registration, sir.
Yeah, see this one, can guys. File, open folder, What is our folder? UI 10M na? UI
Yes.
10M here. Our folder is the UI 10M folder. Guys, slowly I will repeat it once again. Kindly support it here. Guys, can I create one more thing here? Guys, can I create one more example? Guys,
Yes.
can I create one more example? Which example? The
Web
example is the
worker API.
web worker
API.
example 1. Can I create the one more example? Web
Yes.
worker example 2. Let me create the web worker example 2 here. Guys, can I create one HTML?
Yes.
Can I create one HTML? Which HTML? which HTML, the HTML file is the index.html file here. Here itself, we should be in a position, we need to create one HTML, which HTML we need to create index.html file. Let me create the index.html file we need to create here. Guys, after creating the index.html file, after creating the index.html file, how to know whether the web worker supported by the browser or not? How to know whether the web worker supported by the browser or not? Anyone, guys? I want to know whether the web worker supported by the browser or not. How to know that one? How to know that one? Can script tag na?
Yes, sir.
Guys, tell me, can guys, which HTML, guys, which HTML you created? Which HTML you created? Index.html. We created one HTML. The HTML file is the index.html file. Guys, I want to know. I want to know whether the web worker supported by the browser or not. How to know that one? How to know that one? Can I take the script tag here?
Yes, sir.
Can I take the script tag here? Yes, sir. Guys, can I take the if condition here? If condition. If
Window.
what is the predefined object? What
Window.
is the predefined object? Window object. No?
Windows.
The predefined object is the window object again. Here itself, we have the predefined object. The predefined object is the window object. Shankar, respond. Window dot worker. So
Worker.
guys,
Work.
if this condition is satisfied, Shankar, unmute yourself. If this condition is satisfied, if this condition is satisfied, then what do you call? Then what do you call? Web worker supported by the browser.
Browser.
Web worker supported by the browser. Shankar, tell me, can how to check whether the web worker supported or not? How to check it again? Which tag we need to take? Which tag we need to take? If window dot if window dot worker, if window dot worker here. So if this condition satisfies, if this condition satisfies, if this condition satisfies, then we can call web worker supported by the browser. Else condition. What is the else condition here? Else condition is the console dot log off console dot log off. What you wanted to place here? Web worker console dot log off. Web worker not supported. Web worker not supported or something we need to place here. Console dot log off. Simply we need to place web worker not supported here. Guys, can I create one thread, guys? Guys, can I create
Yes,
one
sir.
thread here?
Yes.
How to create the thread here? Let thread one. Let thread one equal to new thread. No, new worker. Let thread one equal to new worker. Why this thread? This thread is used to execute one JS file now.
Yes.
Tell me here. This thread is used to execute one JS file. Which JS file? Which JS file? Reverse.js file. This thread, whatever the thread is there, this thread is used to execute one JS file. Which JS file can? Which JS file can? The JS file is the reverse.js file. Guys, explain 1 second here. How to say this one here? How to create a thread one? How to create thread one? Let thread one equal to let thread one equal to what you wanted to place can new worker. Let thread one equal to what you wanted to place new worker. Why this thread one? This thread one is used to execute the reverse.js file now.
Yes.
Yes, see this one can. This thread one is used to execute the reverse.js file. Yes, guys. Can I create the reverse.js file?
Yes.
Can I create the reverse.js file? New file. New file. Which file we need to create? Reverse.js file. Which file we need to create? The file is the reverse.js file here. See this one here itself. We have the one file here. The file is the reverse.js file. Guys, see this one here. Here itself, for this file, we need to send the data now. Respond, guys. For this file, whatever the file is there. For this file, we need to send the data now.
Yes, sir.
Let me send the data here. We should be in a position we need to send the data here. How can I send the data here? How can I send the data here? Thread one dot what you wanted to place post message.
Yes.
Thread one dot what you wanted to place post message here. Thread one dot what you wanted to place here post message. Guys, how to send the data? How to send the data? Thread one dot what you wanted to place post message here. Simply we need to place the post message here. Here itself, what you wanted to place, which data you wanted to send again, which data you wanted to send again. We should be in a position we need to send the hello. Guys, who will receive hello? Who will receive hello, guys? Who will receive the hello? Hello should receive by the reverse or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Array
Yes.
guys, respond here. Kindly respond
Yes,
here.
sir.
Kindly respond here, guys. How to create the thread one? How to create the thread one? Anyone?
Let
How to
Let
create the
thread
thread
one
one?
equal.
let
Let
one
let
Let
thread one
new
equal to
worker
thread one equal to
let thread one equal to what you wanted
new
to place
worker
new worker
new
na
worker
new worker of which file we need to place which
execute
file you wanted to place
Reverse
reverse
thread.
dot this file. Guys, for this thread you need to send the data na.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes.
How to send the data?
Thread
How to
one
send the
Thread
data?
one dot
Thread one
post
dot
message.
what you wanted to place post message.
Post
Which
message
message
of
you wanted to send?
Hello.
Hello. So guys, this reverse file receiving the data or not?
Yes.
This file receiving the data or not? This file
Yes, sir.
reversing the data. How it can receive the data? How
Mhm.
it can
By
receive the
using
data
on
again?
message.
Say this one here. This start this start on message equal to
Dot on message.
this start on message equal to this
Thread
start
one.
on message equal to function of
Function
e.
of the
This start on message equal to function of e. So whatever the hello is there, that hello stored into where?
E.
That hello stored into where? E dot data, not e. E dot data. Whatever the hello is there, that hello stored into where? E dot data. Say this one, guys. So try to say this one here. Console dot log of E dot data. Guys, so what is E dot data? E dot data means hello or not?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Kindly tell me here. Guys, so how to execute the code? Try to execute the code. We should be in a position. We need to execute the code. Try to execute the code again. Here itself, go live. Guys, so hello we are getting now.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello we are how to read the data, guys? How to read the data? E dot E dot data. E dot data. What is E dot
E dot
data?
data.
E dot data means hello or
Hello.
not? Hello.
Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
is it a hello, guys? Yes.
Yes.
Hello. This hello I want to convert to array. Which array? See this one here. H. H. Next one. E. Next one. L. L. Next one is the L. Next one is the O. Whatever the hello is there, this hello I want to convert to one array.
Array.
Can I convert it?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
convert
Yes,
it? Array dot
Dot
from of E dot data.
E dot data.
E dot data. So automatically what we are getting here, we are getting the array.
Array.
Guys, this array contain what? H E
E
L L O.
O.
Guys, whoever stucking, guys, whoever feeling a horrible explanation, please let me know. I will explain once again.
Sir,
Anyone feeling tough, guys? Too much tough IAS question here.
if-
Let me know. I will
sir,
explain once again. Tell me.
IS question is simple, sir.
Tell me, guys. Where you are stucking? Someone, guys. Where which line you are not understanding?
sir, if we will not use let, then it will work, sir.
It will work. No issue. It will work. Not an issue. Fun, guys. This array is there now. Fun,
Yes.
guys. I want to reverse it. How to reverse it here? Array dot which function?
Reverse.
Reverse function. Array dot reverse function. Say this one here. Let array one. So guys, finally, this array one contain what? Finally, this array one contain what? This array one contain. Say this one here. O. Say this one here. L O L E H. Okay, now guys, once
Yes.
again, this array I want to convert to string once again.
Yes.
This array I want to convert to string once again. How can I convert it here? Array one dot which function? Join function. Array one dot join function.
Yes.
Between each character, I don't want to see any separator. between each character. I don't want to see any separator here, so empty we need to pass. Next one, guys, see this one here. Here itself see this one here. Let reverse string. Let what? Let reverse string here. Let reverse string equal to something here. Fine. Listen one second. Guys, listen 1 second. Guys, let me explain. I will explain 100 times, guys. Later you can ask the question. Let me explain 100 times. Guys, see this one. Guys, how to get the hello, guys? How to get the hello here? E dot
E dot data.
E dot data. E dot data here. Guys, let str1. Guys, str1 contain what?
E dot data. Hello.
E dot data. Hello.
Hello.
E dot data.
Console.log of str1.
STR1.
Console.log of str1 automatically hello is there. Guys, any confusion to understand line number 2 and 3?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, who want to ask the question? Guys, ask the question.
Sir, hello.
Ask me question.
Sir, why you use e-data?
To receive the data, to receive this hello, we need to use the e dot data, because Netscape company, they provided that standard.
What is the difference between e and e dot data?
If I print e is nothing but the object. E contain nothing here. E contain nothing here. E contain only object. See this one here. This is the e.
Actually, E contain JSON object data, and data contain our data. Yes,
This
sir.
is the e.
Yeah.
This is the e. If I print e dot data, we are getting our original data.
Original means we got JSON.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Smita, stuck in na?
Yes, sir.
Smita, see this one here. Smita, actually e is whatever the e is there. Smita, e is one JSON object. Mr. Smita, listen the point once again. E means
Yes.
one. E is one JSON object. See this one here. Print it here. Console data log of e. Console dot log of
Log
what
of
e.
E.
E is Mr. Smita. Miss
Not
Smita, what are the
It's an object.
Miss.
who told here? Smita, Abhinasha. Can you please support the class here? Abhinasha.
Yeah.
Abhinasha, what are the English statement I told? Repeat that statement, Kiri. E is JSON object. Repeat that statement to me.
Yes.
Abhinash Panda. Repeat.
JSON
No,
object,
repeat
sir.
that English statement with me. E is JSON object. Abhinash, is it possible to repeat that
JSON
statement?
Yes, sir.
Repeat that point. E is JSON object. Talk with me.
Use
Ah.
JSON object. Like that.
Nona. Nona, Abhinash Panda. Guys. Yeah. Abhinash Panda, no issue. Open our mouth here. Open our mouth. Mouth and tell the same statement. E is JSON object. Talk with me. Repeat that point.
JSON object.
Is
JSON object.
Abhinash, you are not feeling comfortable now. Why won't you talk like that, Care? Why you are feeling tougher? Abhinash, talk once again, Care. E is JSON object. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fancy this one, guys. Mr. Abhinash, this is the JSON object. Okay, now, Mr. Abhinash, in this JSON object, what you need?
Hello.
Hello. How to get a hello?
Data.
E dot data.
E dot data.
E dot data. How to get the data here? E dot data.
E dot data.
Simply, we need to place the E dot data.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir.
Getting now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhinash, if you are getting the confusion here after the call, you have my number now. Please call to me. I will explain once again. Fine. See this one here. Let str1 equal to e dot data. E dot data here. Now we are getting the output here. The output is the what is the output here? Now we are getting the output here. The output is the hello is the output. Fine. Now see this one here. Console.log of str1. Now the output is the
Yes,
hello is
sir.
the output. Guys, next one. Abhinash, after the class itself, just call to me once again. I will explain that statement once again to you if you are feeling tough. Okay, na? Fine. Next one. That is also no response, na? Fine. Guys, Shankar, I need this answer. Shankar, I need
Yes, sir.
H E E L L O. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
I need this result. If you need this result, array dot predefined, guys.
Array dot
Array dot from
From
of
E dot
str1.
data.
STR.
str1 str1 here. Now what we are getting here, array1 array1. So what is the result we are getting? This is the result we are getting.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the result we are getting here? This is the result we are getting here.
String in character array.
Okay na? Fine. Now guys, next one.
Is
Guys,
the
I don't
array
know.
one, no, sir?
Yeah, see this one, string to array. Guys, be smart, guys, be smart, because you know na, we are discussing utter flop, guys. Utter flop explanation we are providing here, guys. This is not professional explanation, guys. Still, if you say, sir, it's just like equivalent to IAS and IPS here, we can't do anything, guys. Still, if you say, sir, it's just nothing but the IAS or IPS, if you say like that here, I can't do anything. Yeah, guys, the reason is the, guys, we are explaining the class with the utter flop, guys, because below 10th class level we are explaining here. So still, if you're feeling like tough here, no one will help you. Fun, guys, see this fun here. This array1 contain what? This array1 contain what?
Hello, sir.
HELLO.
HELL.
Reverse that one. How to reverse that one? How to reverse that one?
Array1 dot
Array1
reverse.
dot
Array1
Reverse
dot
function.
reverse function.
Reverse.
Array1 dot reverse. Array1 dot
Reverse
reverse
function.
here. So what happened here? Array1 dot reverse here. What happened here?
Array 2.
What happened here? What is the output we are getting
Hello
here?
is reverse.
O
See this one here.
LLEH.
O
LL
LL O.
EH.
Next one. See this one here. O LL. See this one here. EH. O LLEH here. Abhinash, following or feeling tougher? Fun. Next one. One more point. One more point is the. Yeah, see this one here. One more point is that at least after, guys, whoever feeling tough, guys, at least after the class, do some hard work, guys. Do some hard work. Fun. Next one, guys. This array, Abhinash, call to my number. I will explain. I will take the separate class. I will explain once again here. Fun. Next one, guys. Yeah, see this one here, guys. Array two, guys.
Not join.
This array, I wanted to convert to string once again. Array 2 dot what? Join. Between each letter, I don't need any separator. Just to place the space. Next one. Finally, what we are getting here. Let str2. Let str2. Guys, how to send it to main thread? How to send it to main thread again? This dot
Post message.
of str2.
STR2.
Fine. Guys, how to receive here?
This
Thread to one dot.
Thread one
dot.
on
On
message.
message equal to function of what? Function of e. Guys, this e internal contain what? Data na.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
e internal contain the data na. See this one here. Console dot log of e dot data. Console dot log of e dot data
Yes,
here.
sir.
Guys, what you sent? Hello. But what is the output we are getting here? OLLEH. Guys, say this one here. What you wanted to send again? Welcome you wanted to send. But what is the output we are getting here? EMOCLEW. Okay, na guys?
Yes, sir.
Dharaniras, getting your parents' voice. Yes, sir. Guys, okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
continue,
sir.
guys? Guys, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting, guys, literally, I lost some confidence on you people, guys. Can I continue the toughest topics? Guys,
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
guys, can I continue the toughest topics?
Yes,
Because
sir.
No, sir. It is easy.
no, yeah, what yes, yeah, what yes, yeah. I think what Shankar you were saying this, yes, sir, but literally tough na. Fine. See this one, guys. You know the charting applications now, guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You know the
Yes, sir.
charting
We know that.
application, guys. To implement charting applications, we have one API. That API we can call WebSocket API.
WebSocket.
In order to implement charting applications, we have one API. The API is the which API we have? WebSocket API. WebSocket API is there.
Yes,
We
sir.
have one API. The API is the WebSocket API. Guys, very simple, guys. Funny. In WebSocket API. One second, guys. We have an API. The API is the WebSocket API. Guys, see this fun again. In a WebSocket API, guys, first of all, we need to prepare chart server. First of all, what you wanted to prepare, Ken? First of all, we need to prepare
That's sir.
chart server, chart
Yes, sir.
server we need to prepare. Guys, here itself we have the number of clients na.
Yes.
Guys, here itself, guys, can I take the dare step to explain this one? Can I take the
Yes,
dare step,
sir.
guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Because the
Sir,
reason is
first of
the
all, we need to create the chat server locally, na, sir?
exactly. Guys, I'm taking the dare step, guys, to explain the advanced level topic, guys. Please support me here. Even the not understanding, don't worry here. Funny. Not understanding here. Why you are not understanding here? I'm saying the JSON object JSON 100 times I told you, but you are saying not understanding. What can I do? Say this one can, guys. This is the client one. This is the client one. This is the client one here. This is the client one. Assume this one here. This is the client one here. Next one is the see the another thing here. And like this also we have the number of clients, guys. And here we have the number of clients here. Client one, next one is the client one, next one is the client two. Assume this one. Here itself we have the client one, next one is the here itself we have the client two. Client one, next one is the client two, next one is the client three,
Three.
next one is the here we have the client four.
Client 4.
Here itself we have the client four here, next one, and here itself we have the client five.
Client
And
5.
here itself we have the client 5 here. Next one is the say this one can. Here itself we have the here itself we have the client 6. Client 6. Next one is the here
Yes, sir.
itself we have the client 7. Client 1, client 2, client 3, client 4. Next one is the
So many clients.
so many clients we have here. Guys, client 1 wanted to send the data to client 2. Client 1 wanted to send the data to the client 2. How he can
Yes,
send
sir.
it here?
Sir, by
Yeah,
the chat
how
server.
he can send it here? Tell me
By
here. How he
server.
can send it here?
By
Can you
chat.
talk with me here?
By the
See
chat
this one
server.
here. Client 1 will send the data to the chart server.
Yes, sir.
Chart server will send that data to the client 2.
Client 2.
Client 2.
Yes or not? See this one
Yes,
here.
sir.
Client 3 sending the request to the chart server.
Yes,
Chart
sir.
server sending that data to the client 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is the chart application na.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes
sir.
or not? Whatever we have, this one we can call the chart application again. So
By the help
to
of chat server.
yeah, see this one. To implement this chart application, we have one API. Which API we have?
WebSocket
Which API we have
API.
here? We have one API. The
WebSocket
API is the
API.
WebSocket API. Fine. Guys, understanding the diagram now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Let me
No
see this
problem.
one. We need to share that diagram to you.
using Telegram.
Yes, sir. Let me do that one here. After completing that one, let me go for the implementation part here. Yeah. Here we need to go for the implementation part. How to do the implementation? Guys, first of all, say this one again. First of all, we need to create the chart server na.
Yes, sir.
Guys, to create a chart server, it's a server now.
Yes,
To
sir.
create a chart server, we need to use backend technologies. Which technology? Java
Backend
technology. Java technology. Next one, .NET technology. Next one is the Node.js.
Node.js.
Okay, now guys,
Okay, yes.
to
Yes, sir.
implement
Yes,
a
sir.
chart server, we need to use backend technology. Which backend technology we need to use? Ke?
Java.
Java we need to use.
.NET
Next
and
one is the
Node.js.
say
Java
this one here,
.NET.
Java. Next one is the
.NET.
.NET. Next one is the Node.js, PHP or
Node.js.
something we need to use. Guys, can I use Node.js, guys? Because Java and .NET is the very heavy technologies can. So I
Yes,
can't
sir.
go for that one can. I can't go for that one can. Never go for that one can. So never go for that one can. We need to go
use
for what?
Java.
Node.js.
Node.js.
Can. So
Yes.
with the help of Node.js, I
We
will
can
implement
create.
chart server.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, can I show that code, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Think, guys. Don't to tough care. 10 times I will repeat. Never feel the tough care. Guys, say this one can. To create a server, we need one module. To create a server, we need one module. Which module? HTTP module.
HTTP module. Okay.
Guys, to create a chart server, we need one more module. Which module? WebSocket
Require.
module.
WebSocket.
WebSocket module. We need one more module. The module is the WebSocket module. Guys, explain once again.
WebSocket module.
To create a normal HTTP server. To create normal HTTP server, we need one module. Which module can? HTTP module. Guys, this is a normal. Guys, this is a normal. I think see this one here. You need the chart
Chat
server or
server.
not? You need the
Yes.
chart server or not?
Yes, sir.
In order to create the chart server, guys,
Yes, sir.
I'm expecting only 50% understanding, guys. I'm not expecting the 100% here. If I repeat it 2 times, then you are getting the clarity, guys. To create a charting application, we need one more module. Which module we need? We need one more module. Which
WebSocket.
module? Which module we need? WebSocket module.
WebSocket.
Guys, and one more point. And if it is a server, you need one port number, na?
Yeah, we will.
What is
Sir,
the
yes,
port
sir.
number? What is the port number?
8080.
The port
80.
number is the
8080.
80. So guys, the server is ready na?
Yes.
This is the server, guys.
Yes, sir.
This is the server. First of all, you need to all the people connected to the server na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, see this one,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
All the people connecting to the server. Next one, guys, see this one. Server should receive the data na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Server should send the data na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Sir.
Outer view, guys. I'm not explaining the inner view, outer view, guys. See this one here. How to create the HTTP server? To create the HTTP server, constant HTTP equal to require of HTTP. Guys,
HTTP module.
you need a chart server na?
Yes, sir.
You need the chart
Yes, sir.
server. How to
WebSocket
get the
module.
chart server here? Constant server equal to require
We
of
need to create the WebSocket.
constant server equal to require of what?
WebSocket
Require of
dot server.
WebSocket dot server. WebSocket of server we need to place here.
Yes, sir.
Next one, guys, one more point. One more point is the see the
Put
another
assign.
point here. Next point is the guys. If it is a server, you need to assign one port number na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
we
Yes,
need
sir.
to assign one port number here. Next one. See this one here and one more point. One more point is the guys. First of all, we need to connect na?
Yes, sir.
All the
Yes, sir.
developers should connect now. All the developers
Yes,
should
sir.
connect here. All the clients should connect. Guys,
All the
later
clients should
we
connect.
need to receive the data now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but the receiving the data. Guys, next one. We need to send the data now.
Yes.
We need to send
Yes,
the
sir.
data. Guys, at the end, you need to close the server now. At
Close
the
the
end,
connection.
we need to close
Yes,
the
sir.
server. Guys, theoretically, are you understanding the flow? Theoretically, not practically.
Yes.
Theoretically. Theoretical, are you people okay?
Sir, how to know the 8080 is the port?
Yeah, you need to create the client application. Through the client application, you can do that. Fine. Guys, let me
Okay.
see
Sir,
this one.
sir, it will generate automatically.
I have
We
a
have to.
question, sir.
Exactly.
I have a
Exactly.
question, sir.
Yeah, wait. Let me create it here through the practical step by step slowly. I will explain you. Then you can get the
Yes,
clarity.
sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, which folder we need to create? Which
WebSocket.
folder we need to
WebSocket
create?
API.
WebSocket
Chatting
example.
API.
WebSocket example again. Guys, next one say this one again. Guys, under the WebSocket, how to switch to WebSocket? How to switch to WebSocket? Anyone? How to switch to WebSocket again?
Node.js.
CD space WebSocket example now.
Yes, sir.
Guys, CD space WebSocket example. Say this funkin. CD space WebSocket example. Guys, to implement charting application,
Charting.
application, we need
We need
We need to install.
one library. We need one library.
HTTP
That library
library.
we can call. We need one library. That library we can call WebSocket library.
Okay.
Listen once again. To implement charting application, we need one library. That library we can call WebSocket library. That library, what do you call? WebSocket library. So how can I implement it here? npm install WebSocket. Listen once again, guys. To implement charting application, we need one library. We need one library. What is that library? WebSocket library. How to install it here? npm install WebSocket. npm
Yes, sir.
install WebSocket. Guys, HTML5 is the powerful subject in the market, guys. So lot of advanced topics are available.
Sir, all the real-time chat applications are based on this.
Exactly, all the real-time applications based on this concept only. Fine. Next one. See this one here. One more point is after completing that one. After completing that one, next one, say this one can please go to the WebSocket example. Simply we need to go to the WebSocket example. Guys,
Okay.
can I create the server file?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
create the server file? Say this one can server.js. Shankar, did you see the class now? If
Yes,
if you're
sir.
able to discuss the new topic, the people don't have the patience to listen that one. Always they're expecting header tag, body tag, table tag, something. If we discuss advanced level, no one ready to listen. Just see the slowly. By the end of the class, almost 5 to 10 members they will drop. The reason is that they don't want to go for this one. Fun. Say this one, guys. Because of this reason only, here we are skipping the main content of the training classes, guys. Because of this reason only, guys. Which file we need to create here? Server.js file. Guys, say this one can. First of all, import HTTP module.
HTTP module.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
HTTP module used to HTTP module used to create the HTTP server.
HTTP.
HTTP module used to create the which server? HTTP server. Palas, explain once again. Jansi, explain once again.
Server.
Jansi, which file we are creating?
Yeah.
Which file we are creating? Server.js file.
Server
Na?
dot
Server.
We are
JS.
creating the server.js file. Here itself, we are creating which file we are creating? We are creating the server.js file we are creating. Yes or not? Fine.
Server.js.
Yes,
How
sir.
to say this one? Import. Import. What you wanted to import? Import
Import
HTTP module.
HTTP
Import what?
module.
Import HTTP module. One more point. HTTP module. HTTP module used to create the
To create the
create the
HTTP.
used to
Create
create
the
the
HTTP server.
used to create the HTTP server. HTTP module used to create the HTTP server. Yes or not? Next
HTTP
one.
Yes, sir.
Say
server.
this one. One more point. One more point is the how to import HTTP module. To import HTTP module, require of what? Require of HTTP. Require of HTTP. To import that one. To import that one, we have the require of HTTP. Here what we have here, we have the require of HTTP. Require of HTTP we need to place. So automatically we will get one object here. Which object we are getting? HTTP object. Guys,
HTTP.
by seeing this one, try to understand, guys. How to import HTTP module? Require of
Require
HTTP.
of HTTP.
Automatically, which object we are getting? HTTP object.
HTTP object.
Object. Next one, guys, say this one. One more thing. Import which module? Import which module? WebSocket module. Import which module? WebSocket module. Guys,
WebSocket.
what is the use of WebSocket module? WebSocket module used to
Create
create
the
the
chatting
chat
application.
server. WebSocket module used to create the chat server. See this one.
Create
Yeah. See
chat
this one.
server.
WebSocket module. WebSocket module used to create the what? Used to create the which server?
Chat server.
So how to import it? Constant server equal to constant server equal to
Required
require of WebSocket dot server. So guys, listen theoretically, guys. Never go for the R&D about it. Just know the line by line. Fine, guys. This is the normal HTTP server now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the chat server
Yes,
now.
sir.
This is the chat server, guys. If it is a server, we need to assign the port number now.
Yes, sir.
If it is a
Yes.
server, we need to assign the port number. How can I assign the port number? Can see this one here. Assign the port number to the assign the port number to the assign the port number to the which server? Chat server. Assign the port number to the which server? Can chat server. We should be in a position
Chat server.
to assign the port number to the chat server. Then how to assign it? In order to assign care, guys, so what is the snippet we have here? Guys, say this one care. Let socket equal to new server na new server. Guys, what is the key we have? What is the key we have here? HTTP server. Guys, say this one care. What is the value we have here? HTTP dot create server dot listen of one
Create
dot listen
server
of
of
one dot listen of one dot listen of 88. Guys,
8080.
don't go for the too much depth, guys. The meaning of 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is assigning the port number to the chat server. assigning the port number to the what? Assigning the port
Chat
number to
server.
the chat server. So
Chat server.
how can assign here? Say this one here. Let socket equal to see this one here. Let socket equal to what you want to place new server here. Let a socket equal to new server. Guys, say this one here. Here itself, what is the key? HTTP server equal to say this one here. HTTP dot create server dot listen off which port number?
And then port
Which port number? 8080. Not only 8080, not only 8080, any port number. We can assign any port number, not an issue here. What is the second argument here? Second argument is the callback function here. Console dot log of server listening the port number. Server listening the port number 1, port number 8080. 8080. Fine. Guys, explain once again. Everyone need to explain once again here. Guys, tell me here. First of all, import which module? Everyone. First of all, import which module? Guys, it's not joke, guys. To repeat the same topic 3 to 4 times, it's not a joke, because you may not feel easy in the single shot. So at least maybe in the second shot or third shot, you may feel comfortable here. Guys, next point. HTTP module. HTTP module used to
HTTP server.
create the
HTTP
server. HTTP module used to create the HTTP server. Shankar, how to
Yes,
import
sir.
HTTP module? Constant HTTP equal to require of HTTP. Constant HTTP equal to require of HTTP. Automatically we can import the HTTP module here. Next one, guys, one more point. Import one more thing here. What is the another thing here? Import say this one here. Import which module? Import which module here?
WebSocket module.
We need to
WebSocket
import WebSocket here. Import a WebSocket. Tell me here. WebSocket used to create the chat server.
Chat server.
WebSocket used to create the chat server. So guys, how to import it here? Constant series function, constant socket equal to WebSocket equal to require of WebSocket dot server here. So automatically we're able to create chat server also. Guys, next one. Assign the port number. Assign the port number to which server? Chat server. Guys, how can I assign port number to the chat server? I want to assign port number to the chat server. How can I assign here? If you want to assign here, let socket equal to socket equal to what you want to place. Let socket equal to what you want to place. New server. Let a socket equal to new server here. New server. Next one, guys, say this one here. Here itself HTTP server. Guys, HTTP server here. HTTP server.
HTTP.
Guys, server equal to say this one here. What you wanted to place? Server equal to tell me now. HTTP server equal to HTTP create server dot listen off port number.
8080
Port number. What is the port number? The port number is the 8080. Next one, guys. Second argument is the callback function. Next one, console dot log off. Console dot log off. Say this one here. Server listening the port number. Server listening the port number 8080. Server listening the port number. Which port number? The port number is the 8080. So guys, my chat server listening which port number? 8080. Guys, next one. Guys, client should connect to chat server. Chat server should read the data.
Yes, sir.
Chat server
Yes,
should
sir.
send the data.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Listen once again.
Yes.
Chat, all the clients should connect to chat server.
Yes,
All
sir.
the clients should connect to chat server. Chat server should receive the data or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Receive the
Chat
data.
server should receive the data. Chat server should send the data or not?
Yes, sir.
Chat server should
Yes,
send
sir.
the data. So how to do that one, care? How to do that one, care? Say this one, care. If you want to do that one, if you want to do that one, care, try to say this one, care. Guys, this is the chat server na.
Yes.
This is a chat server na. Chat server dot on. First of all, you need to request or not.
Yes, sir. Request.
Client should request or not. Yes.
Yes.
Whenever the client request, automatically request object will be stored here. Say this one, care.
Okay. Okay.
Client should request high-end technology, guys. Too much high-end technology. Say this one, care. Too much high-end technology. You need to understand. Fine. Say this one, care. Client should request or not.
Yes.
Whenever client request here, automatically request object will be stored here. Whenever
Yes.
client should request, whenever client request here, automatically request will be
Request object.
stored
will
here.
be-
So
Yes.
guys, all the requests you need to accept na.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? All the
Yes, sir.
any origin, guys, any IP address, nothing can. All the requests you need to accept na. Yes,
Accepted
sir.
by the server, sir.
Whenever you accept all the requests here, automatically which object we are getting here?
Connection.
Object.
Connection, sir.
Guys, say this from first of all, guys, listen here. First of all, we need to request na.
Yes, sir.
Client should request na. Yes, sir.
Client should
Yes.
send the
Whenever
request. Yes, sir.
client
should
requested, automatically request object will be created.
Okay.
Through the
Okay.
request object, server should accept na. Server
Yes,
should
sir.
accept. I think which IP address? All IP addresses.
Any origin
All,
of
yeah,
the
say this one. Automatically, which object we are getting here?
connection object will be created.
Guys, say this one. How to do this one? Guys, socket dot on off.
On.
Socket dot on off. Guys, we need to request now first of all.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Request.
Request.
So whenever we request again,
And
what
automatically
happen
Request,
can?
request object
Whenever
will be
we
created.
request again,
Object is-
automatically what happen can? Automatically what
object.
happen can? Request object will be created now.
Yes, sir.
So guys, whenever we request again, automatically
Then accept.
request object will be created now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Exactly.
automatically request object will be created again. Whenever we request again, automatically request object will be created again. Next one, guys, say this one can. Fine. This request object, server should accept that request object now.
Yes,
Yes or no? Server should accept it again.
Request
So
Yes, sir.
how
Request.
server? Yeah, say this one can. How
Request.
server should accept again? Request dot
request dot
say this one can. Request dot what you wanted to place can
Accept.
accept. Guys,
accept.
any IP address na. Yes,
Yes, sir.
guys. I think
Yes.
Any origin.
we need any origin na. We need any
Yes.
origin.
Yes, sir.
So finally, which object we are getting?
Let
Finally, which object we are getting?
Connection.
Connection object.
Connection will be
Guys,
created.
if client able to connect successfully,
Yes.
if a client able to connect successfully, which object we are getting? Connection object.
connection.
So
Connection
guys,
object.
connection object we are getting here. Guys,
Yes.
after connecting successfully, we need to receive the data na.
Save the message.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
we need to
Yes, sir.
receive the data. How can I receive the data? So
Connection.
client say this one here. Connection dot say this
Dot
one
on.
here.
On.
Connection dot on na on.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
message. It should receive the message na. Yes, sir. Whatever
Yes, sir.
the message coming from the client.
Message will be created.
Whatever the message coming from the client,
Message
that
object
message will be
created.
stored into
Function.
whatever
Message.
the message,
Message object, sir.
whatever the message coming from the client, that message will be stored into where message itself.
Message object.
Guys,
Yes.
for the confirmation purpose, can I print that one? Console.log of message dot UTF-8 data. So guys, this is the data coming from the client itself. Whatever the
Yes.
data is there, this is the data coming from the client itself here. Guys,
Message
we
spelling,
need
sir.
to send the data to the customer itself na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
We
Yes,
need
sir.
to send the
Yes.
data to the customer itself here. So how can I send the data to the customer itself here? If you wanted to send the data to the customer itself here, connection dot send na send
Yes.
na connection dot send
Connection
connection dot
send.
sender send UTF-8
You-
send UTF na send
UTF-8.
UTF-8
UTF-8
if you wanted to send connection dot send UTF of here say this one can you wanted to send the hello one na.
Yes, sir.
We want
Yes,
to
sir.
send the
Yes,
hello
sir.
one care. Next one is the series one care. We need to send the hello two care. Hello one we need to send. Hello two we need to send again. Hello two we need to send again. Next one is the hello three we need to send again. Guys,
Yes.
not only that one. After 10 seconds also, I need to send another data. How to send it again? Set a timeout of callback function care. When you wanted to send the hello for after 10 seconds
After
na
10 seconds.
after 10
10
seconds
seconds.
how can I send it
10,000
here?
milliseconds.
How can I send it here? Connection dot
Connection dot
send a
send.
UTF send a
Yes.
UTF of what you wanted to place what you wanted to place hello for
Close the
here.
connection.
Yes,
Yes.
guys, see this one what do you call connecting the client. This
Yes.
one what do you call
Yes,
reading
sir.
the data from the client.
Yes.
This one what do you call
Yes.
sending the data to the client.
And yes.
Sending the data to the what? Sending the data to the client. Guys, how to
Client.
close it, guys? I wanted to close the connection. How can I
Yes.
close the connection? Ken? Will you help me, Ken? How can I close the connection, Ken? Connection dot close off.
Connection dot close.
Connection dot on. No, connection dot on, guys. Connection dot on off. Connection dot on off. Which request
On.
Ken? Close. Guys, next one. What happened, Ken? Function of what we are getting, Ken? Function of what we are getting, Ken? Connection object, Ken. Guys, which message we need to place, Ken? Console.log of console.log of what you wanted to place again. Console.log of what you wanted to place again. Connection closed. Simply we need to place the what you wanted to place again. Connection closed again. Yes, guys, let me stop the recording, guys. I need to stop the recording here. Then through the painted diagram, I will explain in 1 second. Then after completing that one, guys, right click, new file, which file, index.html file. Which file we need to create? Index.html file we need to create. Guys, can I create the article tag here?
Yes, sir.
Can I create the article tag here? Yeah, article ID equal to what
Message.
you wanted to place message. Guys, can I take the script tag here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Guys, first of all, can I connect it to the chart server?
Yes.
Can I connect to the chart server? Anyone, guys? Let
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 connection.
socket equal to
Let
let socket equal to
socket.
what you wanted to
New-
place. Can let socket
New
equal to
socket.
what you wanted to place.
New
Can what you
web
wanted to place. Can
New.
new web socket. Can new web socket of what you wanted to place. Can
WS.
WebSocket
Local
protocol,
host.
guys.
Local
we
host.
have the
Local host
HTTP
colon
protocol
88.
now.
Yes,
We
sir.
have the
Yes, sir.
HTTP protocol and HTTP protocol like this also so many things are there. So this is another protocol.
Local
Localhost colon localhost colon 8080
Yes.
localhost colon 8080 or something we need to place. We should be in a position we need to place the localhost colon 8080 or something we need to place. Guys, here itself we need to send the data now. How to
Yes,
send the
sir.
data? How to send the
On
data? On open equal
on
to
open, sir.
open equal to function of
Function,
open equal
and
to
then
function of care. Say this one care here itself. How to send the data, guys? What is the function we have here? Socket dot send na
Socket dot send.
socket
Yes.
dot send again. Here itself we have the socket dot what you wanted to place send again. Welcome to say
11
this
a.m.
one care UI 10 a.m. batch care. Welcome to UI 10 a.m. batch or something we need to place. Guys,
yes,
we need to receive the data na socket
yes, sir.
dot on message
On message.
equal to function of message na
Message.
function of messages can what are the messages are there that messages we need to place. Guys, how to append the data
Document dot
document
get
dot
element by ID.
Document dot
document by
get element.
ID of
By ID.
message
Message.
dot inner
Dot
HTML
inner
equal to
HTML.
inner HTML equal to what you want to append here messages na you need to append the
Yes, sir.
messages here. Whatever the messages are there that messages you need to append here. Guys, whenever error riser here, guys, whenever error riser here socket dot what you want to
Error.
place on error
On
equal to
error.
socket dot on
Error.
error equal to
Error.
function of error here. Guys, can I place the console here? Console dot log of what you wanted to place here.
Errors.
Console dot log of what you wanted to place here. Error we need to place. Guys, execute this code here. We need to execute this code here. Try to execute this code here.
Go live.
Guys, first of all, you need to start the server na. Guys, first of all, you need to start the chart server na. Yes, sir.
Yes.
How to start the chart server? If you want to start the chart server here, node spaces server. Simply, we need to call the node spaces server. Whenever we call the node spaces server, automatically we can call the chart server. Next one, go to the HTML. Yes, guys, see this one can. Guys, wait here. After 10 seconds also we are getting some other message or not, we need to see. Just wait for the 10 seconds, sir. Yes, we got it now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We got it now. Yes, it's working here. Fine. Once again here. Yes, 1 second here. Guys, sir. Guys, sir. But we need to go for the one more thing now. We need to go for the, we need to read that one. How can I read that one here? 1 second, guys, sir. How to read that one here? Wait here, guys, sir. Message.data na, message.data. Yes, so see this one here, guys, sir. Message.data. Simply once again here. Messages.data. Hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. When we are getting here? After 10 seconds, we are getting the hello 4 now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, guys, can I expect
Yes,
at
sir.
least a half of the understanding, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
guys,
sir.
if you are understanding at least a half of the class here, tomorrow class, guys, because completion is not great, guys, because not reachable to all the people, guys, it's not reachable to all the people here. So tomorrow class, guys, I will repeat the WebSocket once again here. Okay, now what are the WebSocket is the complete WebSocket? I will explain once again here. Guys, bootstrap class, just to wait for some time, guys. I'm not feeling good, guys. Some health issue is there. I'm not feeling good here. So soon, guys, maybe give me the 2 to 3 days of time. Then I will restart the bootstrap class here because health is not good here. So let me continue, guys.
Yes, sir.
Don't think like a WebSocket is completed because you people need to understand here. You people need to understand here. Without understanding, what is the use of our class? Yes, sir,
Yes.
Meta. What is the use of our class here? So
Yes, sir.
use here. So in the tomorrow session, I will explain you once again here. Okay, now?
Sir, sir, my terminal window is not working, sir. As I said, yes, last class, sir.
Which one here?
Sir, when I code in,
You were asking like your terminal is not working now?
yes, sir, not.
You are in, I hope you are in the PowerShell mode. I hope you are in the PowerShell mode here, maybe.
But
Okay,
when I open VLSI for GoLive, it's not opening the terminal, sir. It's showing only.
okay, guys. In the tomorrow, guys, give me some time, guys. Tomorrow I will get the remote connection to you. You people need to share your screen here. Once if we share your screen here, then I will resolve all your errors. Okay, na? Okay, fine. Thank you, guys. Guys,
Today,
no bootstrap class, guys. Just to give me 2 to 3 days of time, then I will restart the bootstrap class.
Post the code, sir. Please commit
Okay.
code.
sir,
Otherwise-
sir, please create the
I will commit the guys.
Okay, sir.
And the videos also, which video is pending here? All the videos are updated or anything is pending?
No, sir.
Only
Yes, sir. Already updated, but sir, in the Gmail link there is some sequence of the video.
Can you, if you don't mind, sorry, if you don't mind, can you please send that wrong order to me? Then I will correct it here. Okay, na?
Sorry, sir.
Please send me that wrong order to me. Then I will correct it. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.